What's going on, everybody? It's the Kia King here, and today I'm going to show you how to remote start your Kia if it's factory equipped on the Key Fob. So first things first, I'm going to show you the Key Fob to the new Telluride. So the remote start button itself is actually right here instead of like on the main face of the key like some of the other models that Kia has. So if the car is locked, right, say like that, you still have to press the lock button, and then within 5 seconds you want to go ahead and press this button right here. So I'm going to press that and then immediately press and hold this guy. Car starts up and it stays locked. Okay, so essentially all you have to do now is just get into the vehicle, put your foot on the brake, the whole gauge cluster and everything illuminates, and you're good to go. So that's how you remote start your car if you've got a factory Key Fob remote starter for Kia. So if you thought this video was helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, definitely subscribe. Definitely appreciate it. And I promise to keep the content coming to help your ownership be as positive as possible for the Kia brand. So in saying that, Kia King out.